Good afternoon, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Yachts Clearwater. Today we're on board a new listing. It's a 2015 Sea Ray 47 Sundancer. The one big thing you're going to notice about this model, which made it very, very popular, is the coupe doors, which fully encases the entire salon, the helm area, and also the lower salon. So we're going to make our way inside, but we're going to start off on the very expansive swim platform. Lots of space to be able to get on and off the dock. We are going to notice that we have a very nice laid out cockpit here. Good seating for at least 4 to 5 people. High gloss teak table. We do have teak accents on the flooring here. Lots of storage underneath. Nice wet bar as well as a grill. So as we look at the nice hardtop, we're going to see we do have a sure shade that rolls out, but we also have the optional camper enclosure to fully enclose this area if the weather gets cold for you, or if you're running in some rain or something. So we're going to look at the cockpit doors here. We did put some custom tint on this to add some privacy. Triple sliding doors over. It's going to swing port side. We have a very nice salon area here that opens up. You can sit 2 couples facing each other. We can get an optional table here to add for some more comfort. Again, all opened up to the cockpit, so it's one big entertainment area. We do have a very large port side lounger here. 2-3 people comfortably facing the captain while you're underway. Very nice large sunroof here, which again we did tint. You also do have the optional cover on it as well. The big thing about this boat is the open atrium style down to the lower salon. Really kind of opens up the boat so it's not so dark down there. Again, I'm going to bring us back here to the helm. We do have obviously twin 480 Cummins pod drives, joystick docking. So we are going to have autopilot automatically incorporated in the boat. We are going to have skyhook feature automatically incorporated into the boat. But again, the visibility all the way around 360 degrees to be able to see where you're boating, any boats around you or anything. It's just a very comfortable environment. Close the doors, close the sunroof, and we're boating in air conditioning or heating, so you can extend your boating year-round regardless of where you're located. Let's take a walk downstairs to the lower salon. We do, on the starboard side, have a sitting area down here, which is nice, right? We do have the table here, which is a movable table, so we can move this up to the upper salon if we'd like. Entertainment TV down here. Could have the game on multiple TVs. Port side, we do have a nice galley. Again, fridge, freezer. We do have, which is pretty neat, an optional dishwasher on this boat, which was a custom install that we added for the owners. Again, very beautiful layout. 2-2 layout, 2 stateroom, 2 head. Let's take a walk forward and see what she offers. Okay, now we're in the forward V-Berth, which is the guest VIP. Or if it's more comfortable, I'll show you the master. We do have a very large stateroom here, very large berth. Obviously, television, surround sound, everything you wanted in here. The neat feature about this stateroom is we do have a separate shower from the head, which is very nice, which of course is a little bit easier to control getting ready for the night out, not being on top of one another. We also have a nice bulkhead door that will shut it to fully encase it. Okay, now we're going to head into the master, which is the full beam. Kind of a neat design down here. A little bit of a lower bulkhead. But the neat thing about this is it's a full beam master. It's offset from the starboard, which is kind of opens it up. Again, a 47-foot boat. You don't have a lot of space to work with, but they did get you a full beam master. Television right behind me. Of course, here we do have The sink, which is kind of a neat design on the outside of the head. Again, if someone's taking a shower, you can still be able to use the sink. Again, we do have a wet head here. It does have a full casing enclosure for the shower, which is nice. So it does kind of keep some of the water off all the items. Let's go ahead and jump up on the bow and see what she offers. Okay, so now we're on the bow of the Sea Ray 470 Sundancer. We do have twin lounging seats here. They are actuated, so you can pop them up if you want a little bit of an angle, but I really wanted to show you the visibility into the boat. It is amazing. You can actually see all the way down to the galley. So the boat's here at MarineMax Clearwater inside the showroom. Patrick Rourke, 813-909-5064. Come down, check it out.